Hi everyone, welcome to H&M Tech Tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a Google form using Google browser. So if you have any active email, you can easily create your Google form. So don't skip the video, you will get a complete attractive Google form at the end. So let's start the video and make a Google form. So first of all, if you have any active email, by using this email, you can create a Google form. So as you know, I here just sign in with an active email. So here you can see that my active email logo, and you can simply click over here like dots option, and you can just scroll down, and here you can see the option of Google Form. Here is Google Form. So you can simply click on Google Form option. Once it will get open, you can see different option here. You can open the blank form. They have given many templates. If you want to add the templates, you can simply add a template as well. Like even registration, t-shirt sign up form, contact information. If you're using this Google Form for any of your business, if you're running any business like cloth business or any other business, if you want to get responses from your clients, you can use a Google form, and you can spread it on different Facebook groups or any other relative platform which you want. So let's start and start with the blank form. So first of all, I just simply click here a blank form, and you can see the interface of a blank form. And here are three options: question, responses, settings. We have not set any responses yet, like we haven't linked it with any Excel sheet. Once you will share your Google form, and you will get responses in the form of Excel sheet. So I will tell you about how you create a simple Google form. So let's type here. If I'm typing right, I want to create it for my cosmetics brand. So you can simply type your, title, and once you will type your title, you can simply um, make changes. You can bold your text, you can italic, you can underline, and so on. So you can simply type here if you are, interested. You can simply type here if you are interested. So you can directly contact over here. So you will get responses. So here you can see multiple options, and you can see a placeholder that what it matters. So you can add questions, you can add different import questions, you can add title and description, you can add images, you can add video, and you can add sections as well. So you can make changes as per your requirements. But I will tell you about how you do. So you can if I want to add a question, so you can add here like in the form of multiple choice question. You can add checkboxes, you can add checkboxes like any option with checkboxes. You can create a drop down menu. You can add different drop down menus. You can add paragraphs, and so I will here simply create a paragraph like enter your first name. So in this way, you can add different fields. So here user will type about their first name. So if you want to make that this is required for your type form, so you can just simply click here required, and it will get with the static option. So user must fill out this option to proceed further. So you can add another option like if I want to add another response, another question, you can simply click here. And first of all, I just added a simple paragraph where user can enter the first name, and now I'm going to add like multiple choice questions like you can like drop down menu. So like so may I know your desired city? You can simply type here like New York. You can add more options as well by clicking on the below options. You can add Sydney, and you can add different. You can ask for on your request. So in this way, you can create a drop-down menus, and you can add phone information as well, contact information. If you want to contact with those customers, you can simply enter contact details where user can enter their details. And if you want to delete any option, you can simply click here on delete option. So I just want to make it required because it's compulsory. We want to chat about where we are going to choose in which city. So you can add like different options. You can simply upload any file here. So once you will get continue, and you can see that file option coming here. So I don't need it, by the way. So I just start up with another question like I just if I want to enter contact details. So simply you can enter here and type here short answers, and you can simply write here enter your contact details. So once I will type here, you can see that user can simply type here contact details. So just make it required. And once you are done with your form as per your requirement, you can simply get an publish here. Once you will get published, you can make easy restriction. If you're just restricted for a specific person, you can make restriction as well. But if you are spreading this form on different places like Google, Facebook, different marketplaces or different Facebook groups, you can allow restriction here, and you can change restriction to you know you can change restriction to anybody anyone with this link. So in this way, you can spread your form everywhere, and once it will get published, you can just click here, and you can just once you will click here, you can simply type URL link. By following this URL link, you can spread your form. And I just want to make it shorten, and you can see that here the URL will get short. So once it will done, so what you need to do, you can check how the form looks like. Here, cosmetic brands, enter your first name, may I know your desired city, and enter your contact details. So once user will land on your form, and he or she will submit your form. And by the way, where you will get those responses. So if you want to get all those responses in Excel sheet, what you need to do, you can simply click here and link to any Excel sheet. So by clicking on create a new spreadsheet, you can simply click here, create. And once it will get create, you can see that you can easily handle all your data, all those who have, submitted your form, you can get responses here. So let's see how it's looks. So here the Google form is, and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and, share it with your friends. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icons as well. So never miss any tutorials from H&M Tech Tutorial. So let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video. Take care.